Hi ladybugs, Yolanda here. So I'm working on this pouch. It is for me. It's eventually will be joined. I'll just stitch it up the sides. Yeah, that's the top. And I'm going to do some stitching. This is blanket. You can see all my stitching. I'm not covering this. I'm just going to leave it as is. You just grab my little scissors here. Usually I pull these underneath the other stitches, but I haven't done that. And then I just want to make my sides a bit more tatty because I just love to see the tattiness. I think I should call myself the tatty stitcher. There we go. I hope you're all well. I am freezing. Those are my pooches saying hello in the background. I think they're playing with each other. You know, they have to do it just when I come on. What can I say? So I've been busy stitching this one. Hey, you two! Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, guys. What can I say? So I'm just going to do a little bit of stitching today. I had some leftover glue, so I just used it there, purely for the sake of using it up. Now I'm using wool. Did I already have? No, I didn't. This one is no good because it's a blunt needle. How about, yeah, this one will do. And then I want to add a few things. Figo Moringo, stop it. Moringo. Ay. I've got the gardeners here at the moment, so that's why they're barking. So I've got to use my thimble. Let's take that pin off, and then I'm going to go in from the inside and through there. I've done quite a bit of thread painting on this. I'm still doing this one. I'll probably finish it tonight. I've just adding the white wool, and as you can see, it's all mixed colors, so it's bright and fabulous. So I'm going to be traveling. I'm not sure when or where yet. Just for a short period. So I need a couple of pouches. I mean, I've got pouches, but you know, I've got to make more. I don't have to make more. I'm just making more because I like making them. What can I say? And that is that one. So see, I do my knot normally. This is how I do it, and then I will take it through, so I don't have this bit sticking out like I do there. See that? I don't know why I didn't do it there. There we go, and it practically disappears in the blanket, and that way you don't have this doofy dab here. And then I've got a little Suffolk puff here. I think my Suffolk puff can come here somewhere. Yeah, I think that's fine. And I just want something for here. What am I going to do here? Let's have a look in here. These are little leaves I've got cut out. don't know where the rest are, but you know what? You don't have to make a full flower. Or maybe just push it down into here. I think that's cute. No, I'm going to push it up, and then you know what? I'll probably do some French knots in there. Yeah, I quite like that. My half flower. And then I will just do probably a running stitch around the edge. Maybe even in the white. No, let's do it. How much have I got on here? Not much. But let's use it up, shall we? I just do a normal knot, guys. And let's snip that off. Is my camera too far away? I think it is for this. Bring it in. That's better. Huh? A little bit more. Yeah. So, I mean, I could put something else. You know what I could also do there? Buttons. I could sew buttons there. Yeah. Oh, somebody's fighting. Oh gosh. They have been quiet all morning, and now they're going at it. Yeah, just a simple running stitch. I need to make it a bit bigger. How about that? And you bring it up to the camera. I mean, I'm sure you all know how to do running stitch, or maybe not. I mean, and I'm doing it sort of one by one instead of a continuous, because it's wool and it can get knotted easily, and then I lose my cool. You know, and it's thick, and it's just easier to do one by one stitching on this. So that's really cool. You know, and for these small pieces, I like to use leftover threads and change colors when, like, the white runs out. Especially when I'm making something so colorful. So I'm just going to leave that one there, and I will carry on there off camera. Otherwise I'm going to bore you to tears. I'm leaving this kind of loose here, which I like. And as you can see, the thread painting. And on here, and I still, instead of using a light lilac there, I am just using my white wool to fill it up. And we still have a gap there. And this wasn't supposed to go all the way up, but it has already. So then I have this guy here, and I thought this button would be quite groovy down there. So I do have, yeah, I'm going to use this blue thread. Just sew on just the one button. I don't think I'm going to do another one, or maybe at a later stage I'll do another one. Who knows? Who knows? So really it's just, I mean, you don't have to do so much work on your pouches. I mean, some I do, and they just running stitch and they look gorgeous, and some I put everything on them. Yeah, there we go. Ouch, prick myself. Yeah, look. I wonder if I should put another one. What about, you see what I mean? You start with one and then oh, this one there. No, let's turn it around there. Yeah, you know what? It picks up there. Let's put one more button. You see what I mean? You start with the one. You only need to do a couple of stitches because this is thick. Oh, I like the blue thread going through it. And there. Yeah, this needle is a little bit big for these little holes here, but it'll be fine. And once again, do my little knot. Especially if you're using blanket, you know, it's easy to take your thread through the blanket. Shall I use blue? No, I don't think I'm going to use blue on that. So, yeah, and the other piece, I am debating, because I have this really beautiful core pom-poms to stick on here, but you know, if I stick it on here, unless I stick it high, I could do that. I don't want to lose all my it hides, but it really does look nice. What do you think, guys? It's going to hide all this work, the thread painting. I haven't done any there because it really looks nice with this. No, I don't think I'm going to. once I've stitched it, I think I might just add, I don't know, maybe a press stud or two. Sew them in here and here to keep it closed. I actually do like the, it's really, really busy. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I add my pom-poms? Or shall I leave them off? I think I'm going to add them, guys. Oh gosh, look at this, all knotted up again. Hang on. We can see on the other side. I like it. Tell me what you think in the comments for the pom-poms. Yes or no? I'm really liking it. Okay guys, this was just a quick pop in to play a bit of catch up and show you what I'm doing. I hope you're busy with your projects, and I will see you very soon. You take care now. Bye bye.